Hello guys, how to move cursor with your spacebar on iPhone. It is a interesting feature, and to do so go to your notes and here type anything, and we will see how to use a spacebar to move your cursor. Now we will move cursor to back, hold, tap and hold on spacebar, and it will move your cursor through this. Move cursor anywhere you want to keep your cursor through a spacebar. Tap and hold your spacebar, and as soon as you release your spacebar, the typing keyboard will appear. So through a spacebar you can use to move your cursor on your iPhone. This is a interesting feature you can use